Good morning, dear children. So today teacher is back with another activity, but the topic is the same, right? Can you all see the pictures there? And I'm sure now you know all these pictures, right? Because you must have watched the park video. Those who haven't watched, I can't help it, right? Because this oral activities, whatever we are sending, we can only send it to you. It is your duty to watch. If you are in a classroom, I could have seen who is not watching. But now, so I don't know who is watching. Okay, so you can see all those things which you see in a park, children. We will just quickly browse through whatever we learnt earlier. You can see the merry-go-round. You can see the monkey bar. You can see the slides, the seesaw, the swings, and of course there is a toy horse there which is on a spring. It's kind of a rocking toy horse. The moment you sit on it, it starts rocking. These things you generally see in a park. Today we will continue more with the park activity, and I will be telling you what you have to do with the pictures. Children, and let me remind you one thing. I don't want any of you to make a video of this or draw anything. That's not what we are showing you. These are all to develop your oral language, your English language, which you are scared to read, which you are scared to talk. So unless we show you all this, you will never learn. So please don't make any video of this till we tell you what to do. You don't have to draw, you don't have to write, you don't have to speak. You are only going to go on listening every day. Parents, मैं वापस दोहरा रही हूँ, ये जो पार्क का एक्टिविटी है आपको 2-3 दिन ऐसे ही हम दिखाएंगे. आप भी बच्चों को ऐसे ही दिखाइए और उनको सुनने दीजिए. और जब भी वो सुन रहा है आप भी उसके पास बैठिए कि वो सुन रहा है कि नहीं. आप लगा के उनके पास मत जाइए. आप देखिए कि वो भी सुन रहा है कि नहीं. रोज सुनाइए. सुनकर ही बच्चा लैंग्वेज सीख सकता है. अपना मदर टंग वो ऐसे ही सीखते हैं, सुनकर. कहीं से भी सीख कर नहीं आता है, वो सुनकर सीखता है. हम जब बात करते हैं तो ये उसको सुनाइए आप लोग. Yes, the seesaw, right? Now we are not just going to say the seesaw. This is a seesaw. Now you know it. Who are they? There are two boys. Children. What is it? Children. Seesaw. You know both the words now. Children, seesaw. Children are sitting on the seesaw. What is it? Children are sitting on the seesaw. They are happy. They are happy. Can you all see their faces? They are so happy. Won't you be happy when you sit in a seesaw? Yes. I repeat it once again. Children are sitting on the seesaw. They are happy. You can also say children are playing on the seesaw. Right? You can say children are sitting on the seesaw. Or you can say children are playing on the seesaw. They are happy. They are happy. Oh, what's that? A skipping rope. What's that? A skipping rope. You all say, मैं दोरी खेल रहा था. You all say like that, no? It's not a dori. It's a skipping rope. It's a skipping rope. The children are playing. The children are playing. Are they playing with a ball? No. Are they playing on the seesaw? No. The children are playing with a skipping rope. The children are playing with a skipping rope. The children are playing with a skipping rope. Who are these? Again, they are children. You can also call them boys, but let's call children. Okay? Children. Who are they? Children. Because it is not one child, no? There are many. So, children. Children are playing. Children are playing with a ball. In a park, you like to go and play with a ball, isn't it? Because there is so much place, there is a lot of fresh air, you enjoy. So children are playing with a ball. Children are playing with a ball. The children are playing with a ball. Yes. Is it a Gasargundi? No. It's a slide. Again, who are they? Children. Children. The children are, again, same. The children are playing on the slide. The children are playing on the slide. The children are playing on the slide. Look at the picture, children. Now you've already spoken about slide. You can see the girl coming down the slide, no? We already spoke about the slides. Now look at that picture there. The girl is, now what is that picture? It's a swing. What is it? Swing. Now on the swing, are there more children? No, there is only one girl. So how will you say? The girl is playing on the swing. The girl is playing on the swing. Now why didn't you say the children are playing? Because there is only one girl. The girl is playing on the swing. Okay? Now look at the picture there. In a park, you see this kind of a rectangular place. This is called a sand pit. What is it called? Sand pit. What is it called? Sand pit. So, children love to do. They bring their tools, they bring their buckets, they bring a small spade and they sit and play in a sand pit. So there you can see children play. Yes. So again you will say the children are playing. Are they on a seesaw? No. Are they in a merry-go-round? No. The children are playing in a sand pit. The children are playing in a sand pit. So dear children, I hope you enjoyed it. ये तो कितना easy है. Don't think like that. You have to listen to it every day. Okay children, you have to listen to it every day. Now dear parents, आपके लिए कुछ कहना चाहूँगी. हमने देखा है कि जब भी हम कोई ओरल एक्टिविटी आपको बोलते हैं, अभी उस दिन कल फैमिली का सॉन्ग किया था, रिस्पॉन्स पुअर था तीनों क्लासेस में. अगर हम कुछ लिखने की एक्टिविटी देते हैं तो सब लोग भाग लेते हैं और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा हमारा अटेंडेंस होता है, विच इज़ वेरी सैड, क्योंकि हमें आपकी राइटिंग एबिलिटी में इतना इंटरेस्ट नहीं है, क्योंकि बच्चे राइटिंग स्किल्स फटाफट सीख लेते हैं, लेकिन ओरल एक्टिविटी हमें डेवलप करना है. इसके लिए मैं कह रही हूँ ये भी एक ओरल एक्टिविटी ही रहेगा. हमें पार्क के ऊपर ना कुछ सेंटेंस लिखना है ना पार्क का ड्राइंग्स करना है. तो जिन बच्चों ने ये ध्यान से सुनेंगे वो अच्छी तरह से पार्क एक्टिविटी कर पाएंगे. तो मंडे को मैं वापस एक पार्क एक्टिविटी करूँगी, वापस उनको नया सेंटेंसेस सिखाऊंगी और उसको आप रोज सुनाना पड़ेगा आप लोग को, जैसे आप स्टोरी सुनाते थे. लेकिन जिस तरीके से आपने स्टोरी का रिस्पॉन्स दिया, नहीं सीखे थे, ये बिल्कुल हम बर्दाश्त नहीं करेंगे. हम तीनों टीचर्स ने ये ध्यान रखा है कि अगर आपने कोई भी एक्टिविटी आगे ओरल का नहीं किया तो आगे का कोई रिटन एक्टिविटी हम आपका करेक्ट नहीं करने वाले हैं, ना उस पर कमेंट्स देंगे ना करेक्ट करने वाले हैं. ये हमने डिसाइड कर लिया है. आप लोग ओरल एक्टिविटी स्किप कर लेते हैं और अगला दिन का राइटिंग एक्टिविटी अच्छी तरह से कर लेते हैं. तो हमने तय किया है वही बच्चों का रिटन एक्टिविटी चेक करेंगे जिन्होंने ओरल एक्टिविटी पोस्ट किया है. तो प्लीज़ सैटरडे संडे है, आप उनको सुनाइए। मंडे को मैं वापस और एक बार का एक्टिविटी करवाऊंगी और आपको पूरा हफ्ता मिलेगा बच्चे को तैयार करने के लिए। सो प्लीज़ ध्यान से जो हम बोल रहे हैं, क्योंकि हम तीनों टीचर्स ने डिसाइड किया है, हम तीनों ने क्लास में रिस्पॉन्स देखा ओरल का, कभी भी खराब ही रहा। और जब भी पेरेंट्स हम लोग कुछ ऑडियो भेजते हैं, आप लोग सुनते हैं क्या? पहले जरा ऑडियो सुनिए, क्या टीचर बोल रही है उसके हिसाब से कीजिए। ओरल ऑडियो कुछ तो रहेगा और आप लोग कुछ तो करेंगे। जरा प्लीज ध्यान से कराइए। थैंक यू।